Dear students, this is question number 2. It's exercise 5C, book 4, 8th edition. It is given that fx, x plus 1 and gx, 3x plus 2. Find the composite function f of gx and g of fx. And part 2 is find the values of f of g, 3, f of g of f3, f of g minus 1 and g of f negative 1. Okay. So first of all we have to find out f of gx and g of fx. Part 1 we are going to start. So first of all change this function into equation. So fx is equals to x plus 1 and gx is equals to 3x plus 2. So f of gx, how we can do, we have already done in previous question. Write the function and in place of x I have to use the value of gx. So in place of x I am going to write 3x plus 2 and 1 is in the plus 1 is already in the question, so I am writing. So f of gx is equals to 3x plus 3. We have solved this. And g of fx, so g of fx is, write the function g, in place of x write the value of fx which is x plus 1 plus 2 is already in the question. So g of fx is equals to 3 times x is 3x plus 3 plus 2. So g of fx is equals to 3x plus 5. So we have done part 1. This was part 1. Now move to part 2. What they are asking, we have to find out f of g 3. Okay, f of g and 3. It's mean in place of x I am going to use 3. This is our equation. This is our main equation. Okay, I'm writing f of gx is equals to 3x plus 3. Same equation. First of all write, and now in place of x write 3, and here in place of x again write 3 plus 3. So f of g3 is equals to 9 plus 3, which is f of g3 is equals to 12. And now the second thing is g of f3. Okay, g of f3. So you can see this is our equation, and in place of x, g of fx we already know, so just we have to write 3 in place of x, and again here also we will write 3 in place of x, so we can solve it. So g of f3 is equals to 9 plus 5, which is equals to 14. So this is our second part. And the third is f of g negative 1. Okay, f of g, now in place of x I am going to use minus 1. So 3 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so f of g minus 1 is equals to 3 times 1 is minus 3 and plus 3. So f of g minus 1 is equals to 0 because 3 and 3 would be cancelled out, minus plus, and g of f minus 1 is equals to, the function is, our main equation is 3x plus 5. So in place of x write minus 1 plus 5. So g of f minus 1 is equals to minus 3 plus 5. G of minus 1 is equals to 2. So this was question number 2.